Hey, what's up guys, we're back at it. Here is a life hack that's going to make your life so much better if you ever go on a long road trip and your motorcycle does not have cruise control. Now what it's called, it's real simple. It is a Cramp Buster. It's called a Cramp Buster. I have one on my right throttle. It's a little piece of plastic. It allows you... Whoa! What the fuck? Hold up. We're almost through it. Sun showers are fun!
12 seconds later.
Now, as I was saying about the Cramp Buster, when you're using it, it's real simple and easy. You just have to tap it. It's one direction. It's right now it's in the up position. You see that? It's like this. If I remove my right hand, you see how it's pointed up. The higher you place it, the less pressure you have to place your wrist on it to engage the throttle. Now, there's an upside and there's a downside. Say you come to a quick abrupt stop, or you're pulling off nicely from the highway and you forget that the Cramp Buster is in the up position. Well, you can find yourself looking like a grade A amateur because it's going to give you like whiskey throttle. You're going to forget about it. You're going to be revving and you're going to be flying forward, whatever. So you have to make sure that you turn it off before you come to a stop. Now, to turn it off, whoa, where are we right now? This is beautiful. To turn it off, you simply have to push it away from you to the down position. Now, once it's down, it's basically in a neutral position where when you're on the throttle, you won't feel it. Basically, you just place it down like that. So now when you engage the throttle, your palm does not rest on it at all. So now you're just riding normal, riding dirty. Ride normal. Once again, I'll show you to engage it. I'm just going to tap it up to a position I like, a little bit higher than neutral. If this is neutral, give it up a little bit, like 30 degrees higher than flat. That's a good position, I find. It's comfortable, natural to rest your wrist on it, keep you cruising at 80 miles per hour. That's what you want. And then you can stretch out your little fingers if they get tired. That's really a good purchase. $10. I'll put a link down below. Until next time, bon voyage.